Alright guys, here's the daily forecast for October 16th, 2006. Take a look at the NASDAQ. It's incredible to see this chart. It really is. This is actually the 1-year chart. Look how close the NASDAQ is to breaking the pattern. 2375 is the year high. Look at the 5-year chart. It's hard to say if that's a third wave. I mean, it wasn't deep enough. I would have preferred. I mean, I'm always bullish. I mean, I like it when the market goes up. Excuse me. That's iTunes. I'm always I'm not saying I'm a perma-bull, but I love it when the market goes up. But look at the 5-year chart. I mean, I would have preferred personally to see a zigzag A, B, C, and then a third wave. I mean, if this is a third wave, wonderful. It'd be great, you know, but it doesn't seem deep enough. You know, this drop doesn't seem deep enough to me. I mean, SPX is not deep enough at all. I mean, I can't. To call that a wave 2 is really a stretch. I mean, I wanted a wave 2, but it's a stretch to call that a wave 2. I mean, there's no wave 2. The earliest wave 2 is way back in 03. It's hard to tell on the 5-year chart because on more like 30-year charts, 50-year charts, it's hard to pinpoint wave 2s, wave 3s, and especially with this kind of chart here, it's really hard for the Dow. But anyway, that's why I'm looking at the short term as trades. It's really hard. You can tell. To be quite honest, it's really hard. Okay. Here's what I'm looking at right now for the Dow. Let's go to the candles. Candlesticks. Here's what I'm looking at right now. This could be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Diamonds look more This is what I'm looking at right here. This could be wave 1, this could be wave 2 right here, and this is an extended third wave. Highest target if 1.618, the target as high as around 121, 120.8, 121, which is equivalent to about 12,090 on the Dow. This is what I'm seeing. I mean, I'm just saying that anytime a corrective fork could form, because this is almost perfect. See? S&P, wave 1, wave 2, upward 3. Highest target would be about 1372 if it's 1.618 times wave 1. So basically, I'm expecting the index to hit the top of a 3 and then correct in a 4. It makes sense though because we've been running all the way up to earnings for October. So when earnings come out, you know, that's what I'm expecting. I mean, it's kind of hard to expect them to go any further than this when earnings come out. They've come out, but the big ones like Yahoo and like Google, they haven't come out yet. NASDAQ right here. Highest target I have right here for NASDAQ, I believe, if I remember correctly. 23. I think it was 2370. But S&P and Dow standard 123. S&P and Dow. I mean, I would welcome a wave 4. I'm like, please. It's without a wave 4, you can't set up third waves. You're only chasing higher highs. If they're creeping really slowly, you're only basically setting up to be trading a top. I'm not saying it's a top, but personally, I want to see a corrective wave 4. And it could be pretty deep if it does happen. Targets are very scarce. I mean, they're not really scarce. It's more like I see 1, 2, 3 in the down S&P, and that's basically it. So look out for a 4, just in case. That's a wrap.